Well, my name is Alex, and I'm a naturalist with the Forest Preserves of Cook County. And I'm representing Sandridge Nature Center, which is one of 6 environmental education centers operated by the district. And Sandridge Nature Center is in the southern part of Cook County at the western edge of what's known as the Calumet region. It's an area of very high biodiversity, many different kinds of plants and animals, in a very industrialized area that extends from where we are in South Holland and Calumet City, east across the Indiana Dunes towards Michigan City. So we represent a very unique region in Cook County that's quite a bit different from many other areas. We have 4 miles of nature trails that pass through 8 different ecosystems with boardwalks over wetland areas. We have a nature center building which has indoor interactive exhibits on the local natural and cultural history of the region, as well as live animals that you can see up close on display that are our educational ambassadors for wild animals in Cook County, so they're all native animals. We have a wildlife viewing window. We have naturalist-led programs and guided hikes throughout the year, as well as several nature-themed festivals, including our upcoming Juneteenth Festival, which this year is coming up on June 18th, which is a Saturday from 10 to 3. And that's our Underground Railroad themed program. And we have many other festivals and programs, all nature related throughout the year. And we're free and open to the public every single day, almost every single day. So.
I'm doing this for a YouTube video celebrating the forest preserves. I'm just a volunteer. So how was today?
Today's been great. We're with the Audubon Society and we work on the Wild Indigo program together. I'm Jen.
And I'm Nambi.
Jen what?
Johnson. My full name's Jennifer.
And your first year of high school was at Best.
It was!
And then you went to...
I went to Chicago Ag.
Yes, you did. And I've been wondering all these years what happened to you. And guess what? Here you are.
Here I am. I work for
okay, I'm running. Okay, so how about an introduction and then tell me the program?
We're with the Audubon Society. My name's Jennifer Johnson.
I'm Nambi Mangun. Hi.
And I'm Troy Peters.
And we're here doing birding out here at Eggers Grove today, and we're also talking about the Wild Indigo program. It's a program that's made to get Southsiders out into their natural spaces, and it's a partnership between Audubon Society, Forest Preserve, Fish and Wildlife, and Mirage or others. But we've been going it's been 3 years.
Continue.
Yeah, so it's been going on 3 years, and Nambi, we've had some great groups come out with us.
A lot of excellent groups from the south side of Chicago. We've had one group that's been with us since the beginning, which is called Little Smiles Big Dreams Kids Club. And they're always coming out. They're always looking for activities and things to do. And they said they'd rather be with us than be in their own neighborhoods.
Wow.
So we get some great groups that comes out, and especially our bird walks, they're always successful and always end very well.
Mm-hmm.
And what areas are you in? Like, today you're here at Eggers.
Right. We're mostly on the south and southeast side, so we've been as far north as Fuller Park and far south as Tinley Park. Yeah. Orland. Excuse me. Orland. So we're all over the south side of, and then we're at the Sandridge a lot. We've been at Eggers quite a bit, and Bobian Woods.
Powderhorn.
Yeah, Powderhorn Lake.
William Powers.
Okay, Dead Stick Pond.
No.
No,
You gotta go. Okay.
We're going to start doing some stuff at Indian Ridge.
Indian Ridge, yes.
So,
and we're also looking forward to our first camping trip at Camp
Yeah.
Sullivan.
Wow.
In June, yes.
Okay, where is that?
Oak Forest, Illinois. And
So how can people get information about that if they wanted to follow up?
they can follow us at Facebook at Wild Indigo Nature Explorations, or they can call us at 312-453-0230, extension 2005. And we're located at 17 North State. And this is our brochure.
It's beautiful.
Thank you. And here's all our info on the back. And we're Wild Indigo Nature Explorations.
Okay.
Discovering
So,
Chicago's natural.
what did you see here today?
Oh, lots of birds. Mostly warblers. They're migrating from the south. And they're coming up here to nest. I think a new bird for me is called the Blackburnian warbler. So it's got, Nami's going to pull it up for me. But it's got this beautiful orange head, and it's black and white as well. Really bright. And it's a brand new bird for me.
But earlier we saw egrets.
Mm-hmm.
We saw great blue heron. We saw what kind of night heron?
Black crown night heron.
Black crown
Like
night
our night
heron.
here?
Mm-hmm.
We
What was the name of the bird?
saw
The Blackburnian.
cormorant.
326.
We saw some Caspian terns.
Mm-hmm.
So today is May 14th, International
Migratory
Bird Day. So they all came up for us.
Okay.
There it is.
Yes. So this is the bird that Jen saw up close today. We all saw it. We always see something great.
Oh, there's something that flew to the right. Only thing about warblers, they're really pretty, but
They
they
move around a lot. The warbler, really, they will not sit still. No.
Alright. Yeah, back up, guys.
It also
Oh, there you
Hi.
more accurate shot is better
Hello.
for the rear and for
Yeah.
the
Stay right there for a second. That's good. So when I do an angular velocity,
yeah, those are good targets. And again, they're just paper.
well, so yeah, I just kind of take a step, like, oh, yeah, she didn't have to run.
Uh-huh.
No, go ahead. And how does that magnify? So what happens is when the light comes out through, that mirror basically makes a little teeny tiny image. The eyepiece is what magnifies the image, so that it's
Okay.
actually something you can look at.
Oh, okay.
So you can change the magnification of the telescope by changing the eyepiece.
Okay.
So there's
Okay.
different kinds of eyepieces.
Okay.
So you see the difference?
Oh, uh-huh.
So this one's smaller
Mhm.
view, but this one is a higher magnification. So this one in this telescope would magnify 120 times.
Okay.
This one in this telescope would magnify 48 times.
Oh, okay.
And the reason I know that is you take that number on the side of the telescope right there. It says FL, focal length.
Okay, okay.
So that's
Right.
the distance it takes for light to come to a focus using the telescope.
Okay.
And then you take that number, divided by the number stamped on the side of the eyepiece, and you get your magnification.
Wow. See
That's it.
why we know math?
Exactly. Comes in really handy.
It occasionally comes in handy. Just being able to multiply and divide.
Exactly.
Thank you guys. Hello.
Join. See him right there? Little bird in orange.
Bye.